Hey guys, welcome to my channel with love from Jess, where I'm going to be teaching you today how to make my delicious chili. So stay tuned. Alright, so along with those chopped vegetables, you will need some chili powder, some chili seasoning mix. You're also gonna need some black pepper. You also will need some garlic powder and creole seasoning. Everything will be linked in the description box below. So in a pan with a little butter, you're going to saute your onions, your peppers. You're gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you're also gonna need a can of kidney beans that you need to rinse and drain. And you're gonna add that in once that's done. And go ahead and give it a little stir and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this on a plate and put it to the side. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. So we put that to the side, and now we're gonna start browning the ground beef and breaking it up into little pieces as we go. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. Okay, so now that we cooked all the ground beef and we drained it, we are going to go in and add our vegetables, the beans and the onions that we sauteed earlier, back into the pot. This is where you're going to add your diced tomatoes and give it a stir. Okay, so now we have our tomatoes in there. We're gonna give it some flavor. We need to add our chili seasoning mix, our chili powder, our garlic powder. You can add whatever seasoning you like, but this is just what I used. So now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of garlic. So yeah, now we're gonna add the water, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some more chili seasoning, because once you add the water, it dilutes the flavor, so you want to add more seasoning. So you want to go ahead and bring that to a boil and leave it boiling for about 10 minutes and reduce the heat to low, medium low. Give it a stir every 5 to 10 minutes. And once everything and all your vegetables look nice and cooked, then you can go ahead and serve that over some rice or whatever you like. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Now that the chili is done, I made some white rice, and I also topped it with some green onions and some cheese. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.